For the last 20 years, the standard for success in enterprise technology has been the system of record. Companies prioritized visibility, building comprehensive dashboards to track every shipping container and factory asset in real time. However, visibility alone has an operational ceiling. Intelligence without execution is just an alert. When a global supply chain snags, a human must still manually parse the dashboard data to diagnose the crisis and execute a solution. Generative AI automated the creation of text and images, but Agentic AI automates the decision-making process. These systems perceive their environment and reason through variables to take autonomous digital or physical actions. This RMPT blueprint defines the agent's internal logic. It uses a reasoning engine to evaluate data, draws on memory for context and policy, creates a step-by-step plan, and then employs external tools like APIs or industrial controllers to carry out the task. Enterprise software is moving into a new phase where reporting a problem is only the first step. The system now possesses the agency to actively resolve it. In a typical office, scheduling a single cross-functional meeting involves significant manual friction. An assistant might spend 20 minutes cross-referencing calendars and searching for rooms with specific video conferencing equipment. An autonomous agent resolves this by calling calendar and room APIs directly. It checks company policies in its memory to avoid protected focus time, and simultaneously books the optimal room and time slot for every participant. This react cycle, think, decide, act, reflect, drives increasingly complex workflows. When HR triggers a new hire request, an agent uses this loop to autonomously generate personalized welcome letters, set up folders, and build onboarding checklists. Deploying autonomous software within secure corporate systems requires strict governance. This introduces the human-in-the-loop concept, a mandatory pause where the agent's execution loop stops for review. Before the agent sends official notifications or makes final system changes, it presents its plan to a manager. It only proceeds to the final execution step once a human grants explicit approval. In the office, Agentic AI transforms static administrative requests into governed, self-executing workflows that follow human-defined rules. High-stakes physical operations require a different level of agency. Traditional logistics software often optimizes routes in a vacuum, unaware of real-world context like local events or sudden weather shifts. An intelligent orchestrator agent queries external APIs for live traffic and weather patterns. When it detects a potential delay, it instantly recalculates the most efficient route based on real-time conditions. The agent reroutes freight days before a storm hits and automatically rebalances inventory across regional warehouses to keep the supply chain moving. On the factory floor, speed is critical. If a motor begins vibrating violently and exceeding safe temperature thresholds, the AI supervisor intervenes immediately. The agent uses a vector database to retrieve specific standard operating procedures, delegates shutdown tasks to worker agents, and schedules emergency maintenance to address the root cause. Context-aware agents remove reliance on human reaction time during a crisis, intervening autonomously to prevent equipment failure and save millions in downtime. Business continuity management during a natural disaster represents the ultimate stress test for these systems. In these environments, variables change too quickly for a single agent to manage. This requires a multi-agent workflow, where a central planner agent coordinates a swarm of highly specialized sub-agents, each focused on a specific data stream. One agent scans satellite imagery for structural damage, another parses social media for distress signals, and a third runs damage forecast simulations. All three feed their intelligence into a central situational map. This shared memory allows the swarm to dynamically update the enterprise's continuity strategy in real time, adapting faster than any human command center. Achieving true system agency depends on networking these specialized AI workers into a collaborative, reasoning swarm. The rise of autonomous software often brings concerns about human obsolescence in the workforce. However, national AI guidelines suggest the human role is evolving toward operation and continuous monitoring. While the AI executes the task, humans provide the necessary oversight and governance. Workers are being elevated from operators who manually click buttons to directors. They are responsible for designing strategies, managing complex exceptions, and granting final approvals. The competitive advantage of the next decade rests on a leader's ability to orchestrate autonomous agents, turning raw tracking data into immediate operational results.